Okay, yeah, it's like getting 27 degrees here and it's snowing. It's at the first snow of the year. First snow of the year, it came down, it was not even half of what this is, and in less than 24 hours it would melt it. But this is going to be around for a while. I mean, really, it's going to be here. We're likely to get an inch, maybe 3, which, you know, I mean, school's out Monday for Martin Luther King Day, but wow, let's just say we're getting snow. They may be out until Thursday because just like in Missouri, these hilly roads and buses, they're not going. I mean, really, wow, we're getting snow.